Hello, today I'm going to teach you finding the square root of a given number by subtraction method. Okay, this is something which is not going to be utilized so much while taking a test, but is something good to know because books have the detailed study on this finding the square root using the subtraction method. And let me tell you once again that we generally do not use it in our day-to-day calculations, but it's always good to know. Okay, so let me give you an example. Starting with, let's say we have to find the square root of, let's say, 36. Okay, it's very easy. Why would you apply subtraction method? It's very easy to find. Square root of 36 is 6. Still we learn how we apply subtraction method. So let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do, the square root of 36 is 6. Okay. Now in this case, first of all, I'll start making a list of all the odd numbers, and step by step we'll start subtracting it. Okay. So let's make a list of odd numbers. So odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then you have got 11, so on, it will go on. Now, our first step begins with, the first step will be, we'll take this number which is given, 36, and we'll subtract the first odd number. What is the first odd number? 1. So, I'll subtract it here, which is 35. Okay? Now, whatever number is left, I'll just bring it back for the second step, and we'll subtract. First is done, so I'll subtract the second odd number, 3. So 35 minus 5, 3, 2, it is 32. We will go until we get 0. So let's keep trying. Now third stage where 32 will come here, and the third odd number is 5. So 32 minus 5, 12 minus 5, 7, 27. Now 37 will come for the fourth step. Okay, 27, and here you will subtract the next odd number, 7, and that gives you 20. Is that okay? Now moving forward, fifth stage. Here 20 will come in this place, and minus next odd number is 9. 20 minus 9 is 11. Alright, and now we'll move to the sixth step. Here 11, and the next odd number is 11. So 11 minus 11 gives 0. So we have reached to a point where the subtracted number takes you to 0. So it means we just count the number of steps. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So there are 6 steps that you have to go through to get 0. Means in this manner we can say 36, the square root of 36 will be the number of steps you took, that is 36. So this is the answer. So we could have used, but it's just a subtraction method we have utilized. Okay, so we got at the 6th stage the 0, so this would be the answer. I'll take another example for a bigger number. Okay. Okay, so the next number, let's say I take a bigger number. Number 2 is square root of 144. I'm not going to write the square root. We'll do the method which we are learning at this point, subtraction method. So first thing you have to do, list down the odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and goes on and on. So first step, I'll write here, first step. So first thing, what are you going to do? The number given is 144, and I'll subtract the first. You know what happens? It's a very lengthy process because you have to keep going until, so at times you have to go 10 stages, or 11, 12. The bigger the number is, more the stages are. So, okay, but we have to learn it, so let's learn it. It is 143. So, for the second, 143 comes here, and we start cancelling the one which has been used. Okay, so now next one is 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0, 140. 140 comes here for the third step. Now this has been utilized. I'll use 5. 140 minus 5 is 135. Alright, now 135. So fourth. So 135 minus 7. So it is 15, 7, 8, 12. I'll write smaller because I think it will go more than 10 stages. So fifth stage is 128 minus 9. Okay, that gives you 89, 9 and 11, 119. So sixth stage, you have got 119 minus 11. Okay, so 9 minus 1, 8, 11 minus 1, 10. Alright, now we are going to the seventh stage, where you have got 108 will come here, and we will have 13 here. So 8 minus 3 is 5, and 10 minus 1 is 9. We need some more. So the 15, 17, 19. So we have to look forward. If we are falling short, we have to go on to get the more odd number in the list. So 8th stage, 95 minus 15. Okay, so this gives 5 by 0, 9, 1, 8. Alright, now 9th stage. 9th has 980 minus 17. So 10 minus 7 is 3, and 7 is 63. Alright, now we have to go to the 10th stage. So 63 minus 19. Okay, 39 is 4, and 5 minus 1 is 4, 44. It is not fitting here, so what I'll do, I'll take some space. Let's say, should I rub it off? Let's take some space here, because it is not required, as if now we have also already got the title. So I'll write here just to get the space. I need to get a new board. Okay, now 44. So we are going to this 11th stage. 44. So this 44 is coming here, minus, I don't know. So it is already filled in, so I'll need some more. So I'll write 21, 23. So here 44 minus 21. Minus 1 is 3, and 4 minus 2 is 2. 23. So I'll write the last is 23 minus, it will give you the last here. 21 is already utilized here, and now we are 23. So I'll write 23. That gives you 0. So you could see that in the 12th step you got 0. So what will be the square root of 144? The number of steps that is just got over to get 0, the 12th step. So 12 will be the answer. So this is the square root of the given number 144 by using the subtraction method. I felt the same, that it is lengthy, but I think you have learned it. You can practice with some other number. Any question, ask it in the comment section. Take care.